Welcome to the Wellness Lifestyle Kitchen. We are going to be making a cherry cheesecake ice cream today. We'll be using these lovely amaretto cherries. These are imported from Italy, and while they are not low sugar, keto, or low carb, we're going to be using them strategically, only a portion of them, in order to create a delicious amaretto ribbon with some cherry accents. This is one of the recipes that I'm trying out for the cookbook that I'm working on. This recipe has two parts. We're going to be doing the reduction and then the base. For the reduction, how we're going to increase the volume of the ribbon is by adding 2 tablespoons of allulose and a little bit of almond extract to pull out that amaretto flavor. The allulose will help with bulking up the syrup and also decreasing the freezing point, which will make that ribbon a little bit softer and won't turn hopefully into ice crystals. Let's open these bad boys up. Oh, these smell good. This is gonna be good, babe.
I know it.
Okay, we're going to strain out about 10 cherries. Oh my gosh, these look beautiful. We're gonna have to try one. 9, 10, and maybe a half. That's okay, I think we're okay with a half, aren't we? 2 to 3 tablespoons of this syrup. Oh my gosh, that's good. Now we're going to make the reduction. We'll take the 3 tablespoons of the amaretto juice that was in the jar. We're going to mix it with 2 tablespoons of allulose and half a teaspoon of almond extract. So we're going to increase the bulk by using the allulose and also reduce the alcohol in the amaretto juice. A 1/4 teaspoon of the almond extract. It smells good. I've created a sweetener guide that you can download by clicking on the QR code on the screen. Six ounces of cream cheese, half a cup allulose, 2 tablespoons of non-fat milk powder, and a pinch of salt, now for the wet ingredients. 1.5 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna add this about half at a time just to make sure we don't make a mess here. One cup of half and half. One teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon almond extract, two tablespoons vodka to help make the ice cream scoopable. Our first taste test. Gotta make sure this base tastes good. Let's see what we got here.
For taste, it's delicious.
Oh, that's good. Oh yes, this is gonna be killer. All right. We love our KitchenAid ice cream attachment. It's been a game changer for making creamy, scoopable ice cream. Our base has been cooling for about 30 minutes in the freezer. The reason we cool the base down is so that when it churns, we'll know that the texture is ready when it's like soft serve consistency. Beautiful texture, oh my gosh. Life and I adopted a low-carb ketogenic lifestyle several years ago, which has helped us to maintain our weight and our health. However, we know that life is imperfect and we're not looking for perfection. This is one of those recipes that I would say falls into the not perfect, but still better for you, and really certainly better than anything that you can get at the grocery store.